Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. I finally got that ass. I've been looking for this one, man. This is the Hoover convertible slash elite. I low-key been looking for this one because I got like the other softback ones with the same complexion, but I haven't really been finding no hardback ones like this. And boom, I went to Goodwill this morning, found this today, bought it for 10 bucks. Works amazing. The only problem I seen with it is that the headlight is not working and the height adjustment knob is missing. That's it. And then there's no attachments, but you got the hose. That's good enough for me. And it sounds amazing. The only thing about going to Goodwills, sometimes they scare me with that as is sign. Cause I mean, as is can mean it's fucked up. Excuse my French. But I don't know, man. I had a good feeling about this one. I snatched it on up, took it to the front, paid 10 bucks and like 20 cents for it. And got it home, like literally just bought it home like 20 minutes ago. And then surprisingly, the brush roll was like spick and span. The bag was brand new, popped in. The belt looked like it's pretty new. The fan sound new. So very impressed with it. Low-key been trying to find this one for quite some time now. And I finally got that ass. So woo woo, let's run her. Sounds good to me. Happy I found it. So that's my new inmate as about 20 minutes ago. Please come, go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. To all my new subscribers, what's happening? And thank you. And welcome to the channel. I holla.